Good morning, everybody. It's David and Jen here with David Christopher's, and we are back in our retail store. So remember, when we shoot video in our retail store, sometimes you hear things, sometimes you see things, sometimes you just never know what's going to happen, because we are going to be open during part of this vehicle. What am I saying?
I don't know.
Whoa, video.
We're going to be open during this vehicle, so don't keep your arms, keep your hands and extremities inside the vehicle at all times.
I'm thinking about my racing experience again, I think, during this video. And so just bear with us if you hear the phone ring, or we sometimes have to get different shots because we don't like to interfere with our customer shopping experience. So these videos are a little bit less detailed, but hopefully you get the picture. And remember to check out our Christmas tree recipe guide on our website at shopdavidchristopher's.com, where you can click Christmas tree recipe guide and it will tell you how many ornaments, how many stems and sprays, how much ribbon you need in general for different sizes of trees, so you're not guessing. So then all you have to do is choose the theme in our collections that you like the best, look at your little recipe guide, and then just plug and play to pick out your Christmas tree decor so that it's unique to you, but you can still follow our theme. And people love shopping the themes. It makes it super, super easy. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and jump right in.
And get this roller coaster started.
Woo!
Then you know it's Christmas. Snow starts to fall. Then you know it's
Now we're going to start with our light aqua glittered sequin spray. And this is a white tree that is flocked, and it has incandescent lights on it, so it's got that nice warm glow.
So maybe we should tell everybody what this theme is.
Maybe we should. This is our Pastel Palace theme, and it's actually going to be a little bit different than we did it at Market. I ended up with enough stuff to separate it out into two different themes. One that has a little bit more multicolor, and this one's really going to be very pale pink and mint and like a light aqua, this kind of a funky aqua blue color that we're putting in right now, and that's going to be pretty much the color combination that we're going to use. I've got our Glitz and Glamour Magnolia Leaf Spray in this light green color. It's kind of a minty green, and it's got just a little iridescent glitter on it, and that's going to work really well for our color combination. We need some more of that mint green in this tree. This is a 7.5 foot tree, and I know people think that 10 inches is too large of a ball to put on a tree this size, but I don't really think it is. And I need some more of this minty green color, so we're going to be adding these 10-inch balls in. And I'm going to start kind of low at the bottom and work my way up more towards the top. Moving on to our 8-inch size, same color, this pearlized mint finish, and we're going to add a few just slightly smaller, still quite large.
I do want to mention that we have the Christmas Tree Decorating Professional series available for purchase on our website. So if you want more details on how to secure your tree to a wall, like anchor it down, or how to get your ornaments to stay, or how to add large ornaments to your tree, how to, I don't know, we cover so much in that video. David basically gives away all of his tips and tricks. So if you're wanting more details, you want it to slow down so you can kind of see what's happening, that might be the video for you. But just for these videos in the retail store, we have to get them done as quickly as possible and don't have a lot of time to stop. So that is an option. And what's the next item up for bid? Bob? Wait, what's his name?
My hair's not that gray yet. I mean,
it's not Bob, it's
yeah, it is Bob. Bob
No,
Barker?
he doesn't say that though. The other guy does. Bob says, now tell us what the next item up for bid is. Somebody help us in the comments.
Tom, Mark, Steve. I don't know.
David, what's the next item up for bid?
So we're going to use these tinsel balls. This is an iridescent metallic tinsel mini aqua ball ornament. So we're going to add more of that minty color in, but these have this iridescent tinsel on them. So they're also going to give us a little bit of that pink as well, which is going to work when we start adding our pink in. Now we're going to be working with clear iridescent balls. So we have these from 4-inch, 5.5-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, maybe even 15-inch. We got like several sizes in these. But for this tree, we're going to use these. They look kind of like bubbles.
They do.
We're going to use the 8 through 4-inch sizes.
This would look really cute in a spa even. Year-round.
Yeah, you could fill a bathtub with these if you're one of those spas, or I've seen some of those, like I think we went to a store one time that had a bathtub filled with things because they sold soap and stuff like that. These would be great to put in a bathtub for a display, like bubbles. And then hang some from the ceiling above it would be fun, like they were starting to float up out of it.
Didn't we have a bubble display in the store one time above our lotions and soaps and things?
Could be.
I thought we did. It's been a couple of years maybe.
If it was past last week, I might not remember at this point.
That's true.
We're going to move on to our pearl beaded light aqua mercury balls. These are like a plastic mercury ball, and they're a light aqua finish, and then they've got the pearls dripping down the top of them, but they do have a little bit of a pink glitter underneath the pearls, so that's going to work really well when we add our pink into the tree. We're going to add these sheer glass balls now. They've got this transparent finish to them and that mint color. Those are going to work great on this tree where you're going to be able to see the light shining through them.
And for anybody that may be new to our channel, remember we sell wholesale, we sell retail. You can check us out online, or if you're in North Alabama, you can come by our retail store, 411 South Montgomery Avenue, where we are getting ready for our open house, which is November the 4th through the 10th. We also have a showroom in Sheffield for our wholesale customers if you want to come and look at things a little more up close and personal.
Now we're going to use these ombre sparkle finished glass balls, and there's like an onion shape and a finial shape, and those are going to work really well because they've got a little bit deeper color toward the top, but they really lighten up, and those are going to catch the light really well in the tree.
What you got there?
I've got these same sheer striped balls that we had in our mint green color. We also have in this super pale, it's pink, but it's kind of like a peachy pink.
Yeah, it looks like peachy.
Yeah, peach is a more up and coming color. I'm going to be using a lot of that next year, I think.
Oh yeah, we have our 2025 themes planned out, don't we?
Yeah. We're still finishing that up, but we're going to be using a lot of peach. And this peach shows up really well. It's kind of almost like a milk glass coloration to it. But just really nice. And that light, with that little bit of a line coming through it. We're going to add a little more pink with our blown glass finials, these swirled finials. Got a transparent color to them. We're going to add some ribbon at this point, and we're going to use this pale pink Fa La 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 that's got these kind of a minty green aqua tree, pink tree, green tree, and red tree. It's got a little bit of red writing, which will help it stand out in this tree.
If you want more detailed instructions on how to add ribbon to your tree, we have a Ribbons and Bows playlist where David shows you a little more step-by-step and in slow motion how to add ribbon to your tree.
We're going to add some multicolored, this pink mint white ball spray into the tree. Just gives us some of those smaller ornaments that you don't have to add individually. They're just already there, so you can just stick them in. And then we've got this chenille curl spray that's got this fabric chenille in white, mint, and pink on it. And that's going to soften this up a little bit.
So Courtney saved the day and found us some of our candy clauses. Let me get us. So those are the last thing you're going to add?
That's the last thing we're going to add. There's always room for Santa.
Then you know it's Christmas. The snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas, 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas.
Thank you all for being here today. Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any more of our videos. Like this video. That will tell YouTube that you want to see more videos like this. And of course, we want you to be here. We hope you have a wonderful weekend and that you're getting in the Christmas spirit and that you're having just a great time like we are.
On this roller coaster. Of life, I guess.
And remember, Jesus loves you.
In your roller coaster.
Yes.
And gathers all his friends when Santa and his missus